on this side. For the next one. On this one. Okay, the next one. Can you take that a little bit more? I say, can you take that a little bit more? Are you sure? I don't think so. It's absolutely good, you know.
Time to beat the stories from the start again. Sleeping off the night and do
Okay,
here we go then.
just with me.
Okay, brand new machine.
We're gonna take you high. You're gonna touch subscribe.
Yes, you got something on your mind.
Right, it's.
Hey, you, I will be as if you.
Okay, you ready? This one.
We're ready. Here we go.
It's about one.
Oh, feeling quite rapid. Woo.
Straight to the start.
Through the station. Woo. Get to the top, get to the airtime. Woo.
You want to go there? You want some more, say yeah.
Oh, you proper hang in the restraint. Now to the top. Can we go? Awesome! Still going higher, you know. Still getting faster too. Whoa!
This one.
That's awesome! That's going right up into the angles. Down we go! It must be fast. Emma took her sunglasses off.
It's absolutely good, you know. To the beat. Nod your head, shake your leg.
Danger Zone, that was awesome. The restraints are quite loose and you feel like you're going right down in the angles. That was really good. You're obviously not going anywhere in the restraints, so they're still locked in position.
Okay, slowing down, make everybody stand for the next one. Next one, next one, next one, next one, on this one.
Danger Zone. On to the next one.
For the next one.